At Holistic Workshop, we truly believe in promoting the true science of well-being and present to you scientific data which is relatable in common layman terms. We are truly excited that the 2021 Nobel Prize for Medicine and Physiology was awarded to two brilliant American physiologists, Dr. David Julius from University of California, San Francisco, and Dr. Ardem Pataputian from Scripps Research Institute. As you know, we, ourselves, as an organism, we survive because we can perceive the different stimuli and react to that. So what does that mean? We react to temperature, heat, pain, and pressure. So intellectually, what we do, when you step out in the snow, you wear a warm coat. When you are touching a red-hot frying pan, you grab a mitten. So we survive because of these phenomena. The Greek physician Galen had proposed 5,000 years ago that sensations, including pain, are mediated by nerves connecting the organs to the brain. So these two great researchers started doing research in that subject. Over the years, they have been publishing papers, and they paved our way to understand this phenomenon at a molecular level. So what does that mean? The heat receptors in our body becomes activated when the temperature exceeds 109 degrees Fahrenheit or 43 degrees centigrade. The cold receptors become activated when the temperature falls below 59 Fahrenheit or 15 degrees centigrade. So now we are unraveling these phenomena at a molecular level. And in times to come, we can understand and make better and better discoveries. So we are excited because we had discussed this very science of hot chili peppers in our spicy peppercorn tofu video. So these discoverers won the Nobel because of their discovery of the transient receptor potential channels, which are noxious or nociceptive receptors, and help us sense heat, cold, temperature, pressure, etc., and transmit these sensations via nerves to the spinal cord and elicit a response. So I had mentioned that TRPV1, it's a receptor in the human sensory system present on the skin and gut. These receptors detect and regulate body temperature. It is activated by multiple internal and external stimuli, such as temperature change we discussed, the capsaicin, heat in the chili peppers, which you feel in the mouth, and when you eat the mustard and wasabi, you feel their presence. These scientists also discovered pressure receptors. So next time when you hug or embrace a loved one, you know how it is being perceived. So we are very excited to combine holistic living with true science, and once again congratulate this year's Nobel Prize laureates. Please kindly subscribe, call for your holistic consultation, and begin your own journey to health and happiness. Thank you for watching.